Hello everyone, today we'll be having a tutorial of how to fix lag and FPS drops in Arena Breakout Infinite in this year 2026, and welcome to Tutorials by David. If you're struggling with lag and FPS drops in Arena Breakout Infinite, start by checking your internet connection. You want to switch to a stable internet or Wi-Fi or lower ping server. Next, head to your game setting and lower graphic quality, disable shadows, and turn off unnecessary visual effects to reduce strain on your device. Close any backgrounds app that may be using RAM or processing power and make sure your device is updated to the latest OS version. For mobile players, enabling game mode or performance mode on your phone can boost stability, while PC players should update GPU drivers and considering low resolution if needed. Finally, clear your cache or reinstall the game if lag still persists. This often fixes hidden glitches after affecting FPS. Follow these steps and your gameplay should run much more smoothly.